Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a password to your account in the Habitica application. For example, if you'd like to give your account on Habitica an extra or additional layer of safety. So let us guide you through it. Launch the Habitica application on your mobile device like Android or iPhone. And Habitica is basically a productivity application that will give you the opportunity to add tasks, to-do lists, daily chores, and also good habits to follow these, to complete these, and thus way to work on your good habits on an everyday life basis to improve various fields of your life, like for example, productivity, school, work, etc., etc. So guys, to add a password to your account, tap into these three lines here in the top left corner of your home screen. After that, tap into that gear icon here next to your username. And after that, tap into my account below. Last but not least, here under login methods, tap into password. As you can see, currently there's no password set for my account, but you may do that by tapping into add password here and simply add a new password here and repeat it by entering it here in the field below. Confirm by tapping on this button here, add, and that should do it, guys. So from now on, whenever you try to log into your account here in the Habitica app on your device, you will get asked to enter also that password. Alternatively, guys, you may also sign in using your Google account. That's how I do it usually. So that's it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.